Yun ang babakay natin, gay back na babakay.
Go Caramel.
They might see.
Go Caramel.
Wala back.
Gerald, disclaimer, I'm not really an open micer. I just like to write. And makapal mukha ko. Another thing, kakasulat ko lang sa kanina. So, oh my god, I want to fart. Wait lang. Beware. Prepare. Like a silent killer. Like a silent killer will start to crawl. Like a thief of the night. Minsan ko ito, with the stench of the street. Pre! Fuck, ang baho! Shit, ang inang baho. but that's how life is. It's the biggest dump ever. That largest shit you've ever cooked. Diba? Hindi naman talaga yung life. It's a fucking shit. Puta, pre. Pag nilabas mo, shit, really. Constipated by the ideas that clouded our minds. Just wanna let it out. Take a deep breath. Hold. Release. You just need to let it out.
Oh my gosh. Look at her.
But then, there are times you can't poop it out. These are the times that you still savor the feeling. You drudge of tears, embracing it. Di ba yung pag natatay tayo, minsan parang umurong, parang, oh shit, ayaw lumabas. Di ba?
Yeah, that's like...
Oh crap, shit, ayaw. As I said, there are times you can't poop it out. But you need to release it anyway. Just a wee tiny bit. So, what we do is we fart. We fart and splash out. We fart. We fucking fart! It's a silent killer. A fart is. Di ba? Pag silent yung fart, shit, ang baho, sobra. As in, tangina, sino umutot? Kanina. And then, we start blaming each other. Like, ikaw umutot? No. Or, ikaw. Or, ako yun. I'm the one who farted. I'm the one who released that silent killer that killed every one of us, including me. I started it. And a silent killer, it burned inside you. I need to release it. Just for this wee tiny bit, I had to release it. Kasi, if I hold on to it, it'll explode. Sasabog na lang siya. Yun nga, sasabog siya, and lahat tayo madadamay. So, including you, and everyone else. Lahat tayo damay. It's like a mother fucking time bomb. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Ang baho, shit. It's like the greatest shit you've ever seen. Pag sobrang baho ng utos mo, parang ka naging tumae. Alam mo yung solid na tae, ang tawag doon? Yung the big one? Tubol. Kaya gagawa mo dito.
Tubol.
Ang laki.
Bolognis.
Sometimes ganyan.
Di troso, basta troso.
Pero sometimes ganito siya.
Bolognis.
As in one time, nalala ko, tumahay ako. Pagkatae ko. Oh my god, ayaw ma-flash. Shit. Gusto ko lang. Na sobrang baho, sir.
Dahil naman, kamorbid naman to. Rating tatlong ata to, boy.
Happy ending.
It's the greatest shit I've ever cooked. You flush it down the toilet. Parado.
Human centipede yan.
Buka ka ng stick. Itutin mo. Gamit ka pa ng gloves. Gloves ulit. Flush. Na-flush na siya. What the fuck are you laughing?
Kasi wala may pado.
But together, pag-flush mo, nasama mo the stench of the earth, the stench that you created. Kaya, oh God, you just want to fart.
Woo! Bolognis! Woo!